Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan .NET developer. We are looking into SQLite database tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain how to write a full outer join queries. So before writing the queries, I just want to show you this simple diagram. Yeah, we already seen these three joins. So now we are going to see the full outer join. Sorry, the spelling is wrong here, so it must be outer outer, right? So sorry for that. And yeah, now we have two tables, parent and child. So parent, this is the parent table and this is the child table, right? So we have we have common column in both table, that is parent id. So the id column of the parent table is equivalent to parent id column of the child table, right? So and now we are going to match these two columns to fetch the columns from these two tables, any column from these two tables, right? So now we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 parents. And now we can see in child table we have 1 2 3 4 parent ids only, because the 5 Rooney and Adam has no children, so that's why we don't have any children data in the child table of Rooney and Adam, for Rooney and Adam. So now we are going to if you want to fetch all the data, if you want to fetch all the data um, from both tables, so we need to write a uh, full outer join query for that. So I just created one query editor. So now I'll be writing the query now. Select p dot star comma c dot star, which means I'm going to select all the columns from these two tables. Parent p full outer join, full outer join, and child c on p dot id equal to c dot parent id. Yes. So now we are getting the result now. So you can see, um, yeah, you can see we are fetching p dot star c dot star. Okay, which means we are getting all the columns from the parent table along with all the columns from the child table. So this is the column where gender is the last column of the parent table and id is the first column of the child table. So now we are, you can see the for Rooney and Adam, we have Rooney and Adam has no children, right? But we have a null values. So which means when we use full outer join, so it will fetch all the 1 2 3 4 IDs of parent who has ID 1 2 3 4 along with 5 and 6. So we can get all the rows when we write this query, right? So this is yeah, this is how we can write a outer join query. And yeah, and we can also um, use where class to filter. So for example, where c dot blood group equal to b plus, so we can filter the result after the join in a query. So yeah, this is how we can write the full outer join query. And I showed you the diagrams for all the joins, so you can understand easily what each and every joins, what is each and every join. So yeah, I hope you can understand. If you like this video, like, share. For more tutorials, please subscribe the channel and my channel, and press the bell icon for notifications. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, friends.